talking to a friend on the phone.
Do you like cleaning? Do you really want to clean instead of watching a movie right now?
I hate cleaning, but it is really dirty.
Then what are you going to clean?
I'm going to vacuum the floor. I like jogging, but it is too hard. I'm going to clean the windows. Talking to an assistant at the department store. Hello, are you interested in buying a new vacuuming machine? Yes, I am. Then, I will ask you some questions first to recommend the right product for you. Okay, sure. How often do you vacuum the floor? I vacuum the floor once a day. How long do you take to vacuum the floor? I usually take 20 minutes. Sometimes I take 10 minutes. Where do you usually clean? I clean the living room, the bedroom, and the bathroom. Who helps you with the cleaning? No one. I do it by myself. How long do you take to eat lunch? I take a shower 5 times a week. Conversation with your friend at your place.
Hey, do you have any coffee?
Yeah, you can use the capsule machine.
How do you use it?
First, turn the power on and place the cup. Next, open the lid and choose the capsule. Second, drop the capsule inside and close the lid. When it's ready, press the espresso or the lungo button. Would you like a cup? No thanks.